welcome. We're here to do a few unboxings, and I'm going to try to I'm going to make them as fast as possible. So, today, I got the Allure Beauty Box. And let me tell you something, this kind of confused me because I signed up for last month because I want to get the Anastasia box, which apparently is December's box. I just received this and I opened it and it's November's box. So I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing anyway, even though I'm way late, because my December box will be here by the end of the week. This is a $10 with tax. I pay like $10.68, but I think it's supposed to be $15. So not really sure if it's 10 or 15. But you get full-size and sample-size products in this. This is what this looks like. And inside here, it comes all wrapped up with tissue paper. And I'll tell you, this makes me feel like the queen when I have tissue paper inside a box. And I open it and it's like nothing else. I don't really like all the foo-foo pieces of paper in them. I have to take them all out and throw them away, but it's better than like packing peanuts or anything. So the first item I pulled out of here is Believe in the Truth Hungarian Water Essence. And I'll tell you something, as a hydrator, this is a really good hydrator. I got a small hydrating thing from them already. It's really nice. I enjoy it. It's a nice brand and it's really smooth. In fact, I would have probably picked this had I known. Could have picked something. So, but it's really nice. I enjoy it. Next in the box, it says it's a facial scrub by the brand. I don't want to butcher their names. Let me look them up. Raika. It looks like this. It's an illuminating turmeric polish. But yeah, it's a facial scrub, and I like facial scrubs. Full size price of it would have been $32. Full size price of this one is $42. Moving on, because we're going to try to make it fast. Peter Thomas Ross Water Drench Hydraulic Moisturizer. I have never heard of them. Well, I probably have heard of them. I just never have tried them. And there's probably a good reason why. But it looks like it's and that'd be why. So the full size price is $62. And it is just a cream to underlay under makeup. I just put the Belief on, so we will hold on to that. Item next is this. This is the next item. Okay, so anyway, it is by Curology the Cleanser. This is one of those things where you go to their website and you can get their moisturizer, their treatment creams, their cleansers, and you can have them all shipped to your house. And I haven't tried this brand. I don't know if I'd want to sign up for it. As it is, I got some boxes I got to unsign up for, but it will be interesting to try. It looks like this. And it's called by Curology, and it's Clean Sweep Cleanser. And if you all want to, you sure can. It's at Curology.com at Allure /Allure. But I will open it and try it some other time. I've got a lot of cleansers open right now. So, moving on to the next item. The next item is by Tarte, and it is Rainforest of the Sea lipstick in the color Cruisin'. And this is full-sized. Retail price is $21. It's not that bad of a color. It's no joke. Gotta push it all the way up. Pretty color, like it. I don't do a whole lot of lip products, believe it or not, but it's an alright color. So next item is by Elf. It is a gentle peeling exfoliant. Ooh, that'll be nice. I like peeling exfoliants. It retails for $10. I like Elf Cosmetics. It'd be sealed. It'd be a sealed box. Kind of stuff I get cut for. But yeah. Purify water, licorice, and papaya. Apply cleanser to dry face and gently massage with circular motions, avoiding lip area. Rinse with warm water, pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week. So, I don't know why it says it's a peeling, gentle peeling exfoliant if you're not going to peel it, but I do believe it's a full-size bottle and it's $10, which is about what I paid for the whole box, so that's kind of nice. And the last item isn't on my list. I don't know if it was just a throw-in item. I don't know if it was a free item. But it is by Laura Seller. It just says Brown Eyed Girl. Waterproofing eyeliner pencil. It looks like it's in brown. And it is a crayon, not really liquid. Nice color. I have a few other videos to film. I don't know if I have any eye products. I do put things on as I go. So, next video that you see me in brown eyeliner, you'll be like, oh, that was what she filmed next. But that's what that one looks like on. I don't have a price because, like I said, wasn't in the box. So overall, that was my box. It's a hard box, not like the other boxes. Got quite a bit in it, not gonna lie. Paid $10. I think the next box I got charged for by them was also $10. That should be the one I get here in a few days, which is the one I was looking forward to. But I kind of like it. I didn't even know I was going to get this one. They didn't really explain that out very well, but everything fits in here really nice. And not going to complain. So that was the Allure Beauty Box for November, technically. And everybody have an amazing, fantastic day. I've been up recording gaming for a while, so yeah, you have a great day. See y'all later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all that fun jazz.